The late 19th century was a time of great change in America. The country was undergoing an industrial revolution, with technological and economic advancements transforming society at an unprecedented pace. Steam power was one of the key innovations of the Industrial Revolution. Railroads expanded across the country, allowing for faster transportation of goods and people. Machinery and mass production also became commonplace, replacing manual labor with machines and revolutionizing manufacturing. Cities grew rapidly as people moved from rural areas to find work in factories and mills. Urbanization brought with it new challenges, including pollution, poor living conditions, and labor disputes. Workers often faced difficult conditions, with long hours and low pay. Strikes and labor unions became more common as workers sought better treatment and fair wages. Despite these challenges, the Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for the modern American economy. Today, manufacturing and technology continue to shape the country's economic landscape. Despite the successes of the Industrial Revolution, it wasn't without its downsides. Many factories eventually became obsolete due to changing technologies and global economic shifts. This left many workers without jobs and cities struggling to adapt. But the spirit of innovation that defined the Industrial Revolution continued. New industries emerged, such as the automobile and aerospace industries, which further transformed American society. The introduction of the assembly line by Henry Ford in the early 20th century further revolutionized manufacturing, making it possible to produce goods at a faster rate and lower cost. In the latter half of the 20th century, the rise of computing and information technology further transformed the economy and society. The digital age opened up new possibilities for communication, commerce, and entertainment. Today, we continue to see the fruits of the Industrial Revolution and the innovations that followed. From smartphones to self-driving cars, American ingenuity and creativity continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Despite the many benefits of the Industrial Revolution, it also had unintended consequences. As factories and mills proliferated, environmental concerns began to mount. Pollution from smokestacks and chemicals contaminated the air, water, and soil. City residents, particularly the poor, suffered from respiratory illnesses caused by pollution. Rivers and streams became contaminated, threatening wildlife and human health. In recent decades, Americans have become more aware of these environmental impacts and have sought to find solutions. Clean energy sources, like wind and solar power, have become more prominent, and efforts to reduce carbon emissions have gained traction. Recycling and waste reduction programs have also become more common, helping to reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and oceans. Environmental activism and advocacy have played a critical role in raising awareness about these issues and pushing for change. Today, environmental concerns remain at the forefront of American public discourse. The Industrial Revolution was a pivotal moment in American history. It transformed the country from an agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse and laid the foundation for the modern economy. Join us next time as we delve into another fascinating chapter of American history. Thank you for watching Part 7 of this series. Part 7 will be on screen soon.